Facing the unexpected can be daunting, but having the right survival tools can make all the difference. These 25 next-level survival gadgets on Amazon are designed to keep you safe, prepared, and ready for any emergency. From life-saving devices and portable shelters to fire starters, water purifiers, and tactical gear, each carefully selected item equips you to adapt, survive, and stay confident in the wild, on the trail, or during unforeseen situations. Perfect for any survival situation. All survival gadgets are linked in the description below. Number 25. Black Diamond Guide BT Beacon. Designed for serious survival in extreme terrain, the Black Diamond Guide BT Beacon delivers professional-grade avalanche rescue performance. With advanced digital and analog search modes, Bluetooth updates, and a high-visibility display, it ensures fast, precise victim detection. Built rugged and weather-resistant, it's an essential life-saving tool for backcountry travel and winter survival. Number 24. Garmin inReach Compact Satellite Communicator. Stay connected wherever the trail takes you with the Garmin inReach Mini 2. This ultra-compact satellite communicator delivers global two-way messaging, SOS emergency support, live location sharing, and reliable navigation. With reliable navigation, trackback routing, and Bluetooth connectivity to your smartphone, all in a lightweight, adventure-ready device built for off-grid safety. Number 23. SurvivalPortable Compact Tool. The SOG Flint is a compact, all-in-one survival tool built for emergencies and outdoor adventures. Featuring a fire starter, steel wool tinder storage, carbide glass breaker, and loud safety whistle, it delivers essential survival functions in a lightweight, pocket-friendly design you can rely on when it matters most. Number 22. Fenix TK20RV 2.0 Rechargeable Flashlight. Dominate darkness with the Fenix TK20RV 2.0 flashlight, delivering a powerful 3,000 lumens and long-distance throw over 500 yards. Built for reliability, it features USB-C recharging, one-hand tactical controls, and rugged IP68 waterproof construction, perfect for survival, search and rescue, law enforcement, and extreme outdoor adventures. Number 21. Atwood Rope MFG 550 Paracord. Atwood Rope MFG 550. Paracord is a next-level survival essential for shoppers. This 100-foot USA-made nylon cord features a strong 7-strand core, perfect for shelters, repairs, lanyards, bracelets, gear wraps, and emergencies. Lightweight, durable, and versatile, it belongs in every bug-out bag. Trusted by outdoor enthusiasts for camping, bushcraft, hiking, and survival use. Number 20. Survival Kit 250 pieces. Survival Tools. The KNVBIN 250-piece Survival Kit delivers complete emergency preparedness in one rugged package. Packed with first aid trauma supplies, tactical survival tools, lighting, shelter, and navigation gear, all stored in a MOLLE-ready crossbody bag. Ideal for disasters, bug-out situations, camping, or everyday emergency readiness. Number 19. Rhino USA Survival Shovel. Take on any challenge with the Rhino USA Survival Shovel, a rugged 3-in-1 entrenching tool built for real-world use. Featuring a durable carbon steel shovel, pickaxe, and hoe, it handles dirt, sand, mud, and snow with ease. The compact folding design, lightweight build, and included carry case make it ideal for camping, off-road recovery, emergencies, and survival preparedness. Number 18. Katadyn Pocket Filter. The Katadyn Pocket Filter is a premium survival water filter built for extreme reliability. Using a 0.2-micron silver-impregnated ceramic filter, it removes bacteria and protozoa from freshwater sources at up to 1 liter per minute. Rated for an impressive 50,000 liters, it's ideal for hiking, expeditions, emergencies, and long-term survival use worldwide. Number 17. TT22 Backpack 22 liters. Maxpedition TT22 Backpack is a versatile 22-liter tactical pack designed for everyday carry and outdoor adventures. It features a spacious main compartment with padded bottom, laptop tablet sleeve, multiple mesh pockets, dual side pockets, and CCW compartment. With adjustable padded straps, removable hip belt, and durable zippers, it combines comfort, security, and practicality for hiking, travel, or tactical use. Number 16. Go Time Gear. Life Tent. Be ready for any situation with the Go Time Gear Survival Life Tent. This ultralight, two-person emergency shelter offers dependable waterproof and windproof protection in harsh conditions. Equipped with durable paracord and a high-decibel survival whistle, it's perfect for winter camping, hiking, bushcraft, or as a critical addition to your emergency preparedness kit, ensuring safety wherever you go. Number 15. Fith Ops 209 Primer Trip Alarm. Enhance your survival preparedness with the Fith Ops Camp Safe 209 Perimeter Trip Alarm Kit. Built from rugged aluminum, steel, and silicone, this compact, reusable alarm ensures safety in the wild. Includes tripline, primer caddy, and 10 primers, perfect for camping, hiking, or emergency survival situations. Made in the USA with trusted Fith Ops quality. Number 14. North American Rescue Cat Combat. Be ready for real emergencies with the North American Rescue CAT Gen 7. Tourniquet, the official tourniquet of the U.S. Army. Proven 100% effective, it allows true one-handed application to stop life-threatening bleeding fast. Lightweight, durable, and combat-tested, it's an essential survival and first aid tool for outdoor adventures, emergencies, and tactical preparedness. Number 13. Infinity Tool Modular Straps. Be ready for anything with the MODL Infinity Tool TM 2.0 Modular Straps. These versatile, wearable multi-tools deliver up to 70 pounds of pull strength per wrap, link together for larger tasks, and are perfect for survival, camping, and emergency situations. Each 4-pack includes two 8-inch and two 16-inch straps, ideal for securing gear and tackling outdoor challenges. Number 12. ACR ResQFlare eFlare Safety Kit. Stay visible and prepared in critical survival situations with the ACR ResQFlare eFlare Safety Kit. Designed for marine emergencies, this USCG-approved electronic flare system provides reliable daytime and nighttime signaling. Featuring an electronic flare, sea strobe rescue light, signal mirror, distress flag, and dry bag, it's a modern, reusable, and dependable alternative to traditional flares, essential for boating safety and survival readiness. Number 11. Carson X Scope 7. Function. Spark curiosity and adventure in young explorers with the Carson X Scope Kids Multi-Purpose Optical Tool. Featuring a 30x microscope, 8x telescope, 9x fold-out magnifier, flashlight, compass, signal whistle, and digital clock, this compact, lightweight gadget makes learning and outdoor exploration fun and interactive. Perfect for budding scientists and nature enthusiasts. Number 10. Hammer Multitool. Upgrade any toolbox or gift list with the Hinshark 12-in-1 Multitool Hammer. Perfect for men, dads, husbands, or grandpas, this compact gadget combines a hammer, pliers, saw, screwdrivers, bottle opener, and more in one portable, lightweight design. Ideal for survival, emergencies, or DIY projects, it's a versatile gift that's both practical and fun. Number 9. Gerber Gear Pack Hatchet Axe. Tackle outdoor adventures with the Gerber Pack Hatchet. Featuring a 3.5-inch corrosion-resistant steel blade, full tang construction, and ergonomic rubber handle, this compact hatchet is perfect for camping, bushcraft, survival, and hiking. Comes with a mountable nylon sheath for easy carry and storage. Durable, versatile, and ready for any task. Number 8. LAGOM Folding Saw. Cut through wood and brush with ease using the LAGOM Folding Saw. Featuring an 11.4-inch high-carbon SK5 steel blade, ergonomic handle, and secure 3-gear lock, this foldable saw is compact, durable, and perfect for camping, survival, gardening, or outdoor adventures. Lightweight, portable, and built for precise, reliable cuts wherever you go. Number 7. Onewind Double Hammock Underquilt Warm. Stay protected and warm in survival situations with the Onewind Double Hammock Underquilt. Ultralight, waterproof, and filled with bio-based Sorona insulation. It ensures full-body warmth in harsh conditions. Adjustable cords and compact design make it essential for survival, camping, and emergency outdoor scenarios. Number 6. AquaQuest Pharaoh Bivy Sack. Built for stealthy survival and minimalist shelter, the AquaQuest Pharaoh Bivy Sack delivers reliable all-weather protection in a compact form. Its waterproof, breathable 70D nylon shell shields your sleeping bag from rain, wind, and ground moisture while staying ultralight and packable. Ideal for bushcraft, emergency kits, or off-grid adventures where speed, protection, and simplicity matter most. Number 5. Morakniv Companion Spark 3.9-inch Knife. Be ready for the wild with the Morakniv Companion Spark, a dependable survival knife built for real-world use. Its sharp 12C27 stainless steel blade handles carving, food prep, and tinder with ease, while the ergonomic grip ensures control in any weather. The integrated fire starter delivers powerful sparks, even when wet, making it an essential tool for camping, bushcraft, and survival kits. Number 4. Pilgrim Anorak Outdoor Jacket. The Helicon Tex Bushcraft. Pilgrim Anorak, a survival-ready jacket built for tough conditions. Made from durable Dura canvas, it features reinforced elbows, a spacious adjustable hood, fleece-lined pockets, and multiple organizer compartments, ideal for carrying essential survival gear. It protects you from the elements while keeping critical tools and supplies. Number 3. Renogy 200-watt portable solar panel. Stay powered when the grid is gone with the Renogy 200-watt portable solar panel. Built for off-grid survival, camping, and emergencies, it delivers high-efficiency energy in a lightweight, foldable design. Waterproof and rugged, it reliably charges power stations and essential devices, giving you dependable renewable power for RV travel, outdoor adventures, and long-term survival readiness. Number 2. LifeStraw Personal Water Filter. Stay hydrated and safe in the wild with the LifeStraw Peak Series Personal Water Filter. This ultralight survival tool removes 99.999% of bacteria, parasites, and microplastics, plus sand and silt. Durable and compact, it delivers clean water on the go, works with bottles or gravity systems, and provides up to 4,000 liters of safe drinking water, essential for hiking, camping, and emergency survival. Number 1. Durabox All-Weather Hard Case. Protect your critical survival gear with the Durabox All-Weather Hard Case. Built to be shockproof, crushproof, and waterproof, it keeps essentials safe in extreme conditions. Customizable foam, secure locking points, and pressure relief make it ideal for storing survival tools, electronics, firearms, and emergency equipment when durability truly matters. Upgrade your survival gear and stay ready for any emergency situation. These 25 gadgets combine practicality, durability, and innovation, perfect for outdoor adventures or emergencies. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more survival gear updates.